I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with RajahWild. Yeah, man. RajahWild. Sinful. Yes, Sinful himself with Blizzard. Yes, official music with a drop a couple years ago. So we just get the time now to do it. So we're going to jump in the one on here where Mr. Sinful have his cinema, man. Let's go, man. Ratbat. Ratbat in charge. Ratbat in charge. We are going. All right, let's go. Oh, these are the straight vibes with him. KP visuals, become a 7G.
Alright, but pass me champagne now, and anybody not the way I get wet up.
Yo, can't tell you, I take over the whole dance hall in the dark, I swear.
Mount Angel does she a let us. Yo, to believe the stuff she a make up, but me no sweet man, babe, stop all of that. Little rap right now, little fuck me up, beggar. Them a when I make a babe like this, I come a dash to pilly nice straight vibes liquor. All day we a babe like thing, and not a fuck when I give a cow name life liver. Babe vibes in a she a babe like stripper, me a pay like she's a man a game like kissa. Stay like me no me a pay like fuck it a rain vibes liquor do it place like pizza.
Yo, me react to the lyrics already, you know. Me react to the saga lyrics already. Yeah, I remember talking about the part where him say him appear like Shazam. Yes, I did. But let's react to the video. Let's go. Production team, make up on yourself, man. Shit. Can't drink your rum, shit.
Alright, but pass me champagne now, and anybody not the way I get wet up. Rally not stay so. Frank White, they live his sluts in my debo. Mount Angel does she a let us. Yo, to believe the stuff she a make up, but me no sweet man, babe, stop all of that. Little rap right now, little fuck me up, beggar. Them a when I make a babe like this, I come a dash to pilly nice straight vibes liquor. All day we a rave like thing, and not a fuck when I give a cow name life liver. Babe vibes in a she a babe like stripper, me a pay like she's a man a game like kissa. Stay like Nina, me a pay like fuck it a rain vibes liquor do it place like pizza. Dark up the place, black cloud, ice for my body when I pull up in the top snow. The electricity just a flash so, we live a lifetime where the G-Cap fresh out, when just a rock so.
And this guy's a problem between Najee right now and Eddie G, you know. The man say we live in the lives that Eddie G cap but that's it there. Alright, I know you know answer Eddie G yet, you know that. Go on.
So we live a lifetime where the G-Cap fresh out, when just a rock so. Unstoppable we a beat, can't stop bounce. Watch out, when just a dash from. Tell it Janet to say bring one map come. Them a when I make a babe like this, I come a dash to pilly nice straight vibes liquor. All day we a rave like thing, and not a fuck when I give a cow name life liver. Babe vibes in a she a babe like stripper, me a pay like she's a man a game like kissa. Stay like Nina, me a pay like fuck it a rain vibes liquor do it place like pizza. Shut up my cup, tell the bones and the chat up with us. Tell the word they say back up no cause come and I electric me shock up your fuck. Killer pull up, back up the club. Killer pull up, bring a fuck with us. More killer pull up, can call up some slut cause a party who not done for now. Them a when I make a babe like this. Dash to Billy nice straight vibe drink. All day we a rave like ding. I we not give a fuck at this way life live. Pass me straight vibes and anybody not the way I get wet up. Darling, I stay so. Frank White, the live sluts in my debo. Mount Angel does she a let us. Yo, the believe the stuff she a make up, but me no sweet man, babes.
Hold on, man. Directed by Cash Wayne. Yes. Bankrola! Big up yourself, Bankrola. Yes, so sick. Big up yourself. KD and Links, big up on yourself. J Media, big up.
Hey, girl, you know me how. A KD manifest this.
Bankrola! Yo, hear me I said one. Big up man thing. I like to say the young artists, them, they're on each other, par with each other, not just in the music, like outside the music. Basically, craft not the video, we see skank not the video. So the artists them live good. So it was quite surprising to see. To even hear him this Eddie G in another song, yeah, and now Eddie G and them are go at it. So that was quite surprising. So that led me to think, is there something happen side stage or something? I don't know what go on with them, but I think something happened that made him say that. Some stylings go on will make RajahWild say that in the first place. You see me? So now it cause a bit of a problem in the dance hall, you know, between the young artists them. Big up themselves still, as long as them keep it lyrical and show off them talent, then nothing wrong with it. Dancehall is all about feuds and clashes and stuff like that. So yeah, we accept it. We accept it. We don't mind. As long as them keep it like that and don't keep it violent. The video bad. Get him on the video. Thick. Yes, man. You see, I don't want the shot here. My type of love. Yeah. RajahWild, but what can I say? It's a RajahWild production. It's a RajahWild video. Bad. You see me? Yeah. Big up. Straight vibes. Rhythm. Big up on self too. TJ them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section though. I'll leave this one right here. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.